Hey, it's Doug at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2008 Suzuki SV650S. This is Suzuki's mid-size sport bike. 650cc V-twin fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This SV650 has a very nice full fairing kit, aftermarket carbon fiber exhaust. It's in very good condition. This bike has low miles on it, 9714 on the odometer. Has the great V-twin rumble with the nice aftermarket pipe. Good all-around fun balanced bike. Handles very good. This 2008 SV650S is offered at $44.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach us at 408-730-0600.